Hey guys, welcome to Digital Tech Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to open the terminal on Mac. So there are different ways to open terminal. One of the easiest ways to using the Spotlight. So what we can do is you can just press Command and space. It will open the Spotlight search. Here you can type in terminal. And once you type in terminal, you would be able to see the matching result and it says terminal. Just select that, double click and it will open the terminal. So this is one of the easiest way to open the terminal. Now if you're not comfortable with that, what you can do is you can go to the Finder, and within the Finder you can go to Applications, and within the Applications if you scroll you would be able to see this Utilities folder. Just expand that folder and here you would be able to see the terminal. Just double click that application and it will open the terminal. So these are two easiest way, and if you want to open a terminal in any folder, for example right now on the desktop I have this folder. Now if you want to open the terminal on this folder, what you can do is you can right click on that particular folder, and here you can see this option which has called as new terminal at the folder. You can select that and the terminal will open at the folder, so you can see the untitled folder. So in this way you can open terminal on macOS without any worries. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.